Hey guys, alright, so this video is the Tappers routine in the song We're in the Money. So I'm going to go ahead, this song's a little bit tricky because there are different groups, different sides. I'm going to do the best I can to explain it as clearly as possible. But again, if you have questions, you can always let me know. Alright, let's do it. So basically, you're either entering from the right wing or the left wing. There's a front row and a back row. So, the best way to explain this, I think, is that there's 4 8 counts. The first 2 8 counts are the back row coming on. So there's a group from the left and right wing that are coming on. What you're doing is you're going to shuffle slide. That technically, I guess it's a flap, but like that. And you're going to drop your heel. So this, drop your heel, and then go toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. And then do it again. Slide, ran out of room. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Kind of like walking into your line. Okay, so if you're coming from the right, you're flapping and sliding to the left. So if you use those, okay, there we go. Ready? So you're going. Okay, you get to do that twice. And then, if you're in the back row, you're going to stand there for the next 2 8 counts, and you're just going to toe, heel, to the back. That easy, with your hands down. Now, if you're coming from the left side, move this box, then you are flapping and sliding to the right. So you're going toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Clearly, you're actually moving while doing this, but I don't have room. So, if you're in the back, we'll just give this example on the left. If you're on the right, then do the opposite of this. You're going 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, the front row is coming out on the second 8 counts. So the back row gets completely out and they start just doing toe heels. And the front row doing the exact same step, coming from either right or left, is doing the right? And you're all in your spots. You can ask me if you're on back row, front row, left, right, and I'll let you know. Hopefully that kind of makes sense. While you're doing your slides, your arms are pushing out diagonal, like this. So, I know you can't really see me, but you're going. So your arms push out on the slide and come back in and then stay out for the toe heels. All right, moving on. After those first 4 8 counts and everyone's in their spots and windows, everyone together has their hands in front of them, palms up, facing the audience, and they're going to hit the right and do back, side, side, hit the left, back, side, side, hit the right again, back, side, side, stop left. Okay, so you're going 5, 6, 7, 8. All of that is completely together. And then, here's where it gets a little tricky. In groups of either 1, 2, or 3, if you're on the right side, you're going to flap your right foot on the right side and bring your left up to your knee, like this, and drop it. This is what it looks like. Okay? If you're on the left, you're doing the same thing, but you're flapping your left, pulling your right up to your knee, and then dropping it, like this. But actually flap, you didn't hear mine. There we go. All right, so the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3. Okay? Hopefully try to figure out what side you're on. I can let you know. And then after you do the 1, 2, 3, everyone turns over toward the back. So if you're on the right side, you're turning over your right shoulder. If you're on the left side, you're turning over your left shoulder. You're turning around yourself really quick. And now you flap, step, step to a new spot. Here's what all you're doing is flap, step, step, flap, step, step, You have, let's see, I think you have 4 of them to get to your new spot, which isn't super far from where you are. You're moving up to the front of the stage. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's how many you have. And then you're now going to be facing your partner. No matter which partner you are, you're doing the same legs. You're going to now face your partner, kick your right leg, kick your left. So 1, 2. So that's on the lyrics. We've got a lot. So it's we've got a lot. And on the word what, so it's we've got a lot of what. You're going to hit this left foot back, hit, do back, side, side to face the front. So you're going, you get to your partner and you're going, we've got a lot of what it takes to get. Stomp on get. Look at your partner on along and nod with your hands on your hips. I know you can't see my head, but look at your partner, nod. Then on the next chorus of We're in the Money, you're doing this combination. First you're going to take your right, flap it in front of you, crossed over. So you're going, drop the heel. So you're dropping your right heel. Here, I'll turn so you can see me. And then you're stomping back on your left and then stepping with right. So it looks like this. Then you're doing it with your left. Cross your left and flap. Drop your left heel. And jump. So it's so you're going to the beat, but you're starting the beat before we're. So it's we're in the money, we're in the money. Excuse my tone deaf singing, but just for the point. You're doing that 4 times. So you're going right, left, right, left. Then the lyrics are Old Man Depression, you are through, you've done us wrong. On Old Man Depression, you're doing 7 booty kicks around yourself, going to the left. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this is going to be different for everyone. Towards your partner, if your partner's on this side of you, you're using your right leg. If your partner's on this side of you, you're using your left. Either way, you're flapping whatever foot. We'll just do this one. On through. So, Old Man Depression, you are through. You've done on us, you're dropping your heel. Us, and on wrong, you're hitting back. If you were left, you would be going like that. Okay? Again, you can ask me what side you're on, and I can let you know, but I know that's a little hard to pick up in a video. Alright, I'm going to keep going. After that, you are turning towards your partner, and everyone, again, same foot. You're going to do what we call in practice the La La Land step, where you're taking your right foot. You're going to do the combination we just did, the flap, heel, jump, jump, flap, heel, jump, jump, but you're doing it towards your partner, so you guys are kind of going into each other. So you're going on one side of your partner's over here, bump, bump, flap. So you do 4 of those again, and this time your arms are diagonal. With the foot that you're flapping, that arm is down. So it's and that's on the line, we've never seen a headline bout of bread line today. Again, it starts on the beat before it. So it's, we've never seen a headline bout of bread line today. Like that. All right, hopefully that makes sense. I'm going to keep going. Then you turn toward the audience, and on the word when, it goes, and when we see the landlord, you're going to flap your right foot and slide, just like you did when you came on, right? When we see, on the word landlord, you're going to ball change with your left back, landlord. So, and when we see the landlord together, then you're going to do a karaoke step. So you're stepping with your right first, you're going step front, side back, side front, side together. Then you go left. starting with your left. Front, side, back, side, front, side, together. So it's on, look that guy right in the eye, which you say 3 times. So you go left, right, left. Okay? So you're going, look that guy right in the eye. Okay? That's all. And then there's another Where's the Money chorus. In this one, you're going to kind of combine everything we've done into one combination. So you're going to kick your right first. You're going to kick and then kick left. So 1, 2, step on your left, flap the right forward, drop the right heel, and jump back on your 2 feet. 1, 2. Right? So 1, 2, flap, 1, 2. Your left foot's up. Now you're going to kick left. Kick left, right, step on your right, flap your left, drop your left heel, and back, back. So all together that part is 1, 2, flap, heel, back, back. 1, 2, flap, heel, back, back. Okay? That's the We're in the Money again. Again, it starts a beat before the lyrics. And then, we're almost done. If you are on stage right, you're doing your flap slides to the center again toward Preston with your arms diagonal. With your left arm is the one up, okay? You're 1, 2, 3 on the words spend it, lend it, send it. So you're going, let's spend it, lend it, send it. Then you should be all in one line. If you're on left, you're doing the same thing but with your right leg. So 1, 2, 3, and your right arm is the one that's up in the diagonal. Okay? Then the lyrics say spend it, lend it, send it again. Everyone who's now in one line turns to the left wing over here, and you're going to do the same thing, flapping with your left and sliding backwards toward the stairs in the back. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's, if you're on the right side, I'll do it from here. The first one, let's spend it, lend it, send it, turn, let's spend it, lend it, send it, okay? And then text me and ask, you're either in group 1, 2, 3, 4, because they say roll, the word roll 4 times. They go roll, 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 rolling along. So if you're in group, all of the groups do this, it's just a ripple effect. So you came backwards doing this. On your roll, whether you're 1, 2, 3, or 4, you're bringing your left arm around. Okay, I'm going to get on my knees so you can see it. You're bringing your left arm around, turning your body to this. But you're standing. That's the fun part. So you just went backwards. Let's see if I can scoot over. You just went backwards. And now on your roll, you're going to bum, like that. Okay? So you have roll, 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 roll. You go around on whatever number you are. And then on the word rolling, you're taking your left foot, the one that's popped in front of you. You're flapping it toward the audience forward, rolling. While you do that, your right arm comes up over your head like this. You're here, up. You're facing the audience, rolling along. You stomp right, left, and your arms go in front of you like this. So, for the roll part, so you just went, you finished your kicks and you went spend it, lend it, send it, turn, spend it, lend it, send it, roll, 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 rolling along. And that's it. Okay, so I know that's probably going to be so hard for you guys to figure out what's going on. I'm going to actually do the whole thing to music. I'm going to do it as the back row on the right side. I know it might be kind of confusing, but I have to pick one group to do. I can't be all 15. So I'm going to actually do it to music. Hopefully that will help you, even though it might not be your exact place. So watch the next video for that.